also want to add your student leads to your Google Sheets for your own trading classes, then you are on the right video, because this was such a tedious and a time-consuming task to add all the lead details manually into Google Sheets. And to solve this problem, I've created this amazing automation, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can add up to 100 of lead details into your Google Sheets for free for your own trading classes. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, because using Pabbly Connect you can create multiple more automations too. And for that, we regularly make YouTube videos. You can check out our YouTube library. Alright, so now you can see we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So I am collecting my trading classes student leads using Google Ads. So I'm just going to search for Google Ads and select it. Now for the event, I'm just going to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now once you click on this connect, you're going to receive this web URL. So just copy this web URL and open your Google Ads campaign. Now in this campaign, you can see that I have added this lead form and you also have to add this lead form. After adding this lead form, just scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this and you're going to see the option to enter the web URL. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. Now for the key, enter the key right over here and then click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. Once we capture this test details, yes, you're going to see that we have captured the phone number, email and the name. Now you have two options. The first option is you can click on this recapture webhook response and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option is you just follow me, create this automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. So what you have to do is you just have to close this and click on this add new action step. And once you click on this add new action step, for the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. After we select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now with this, we have successfully created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which we want to add the lead details. So this is the name of my spreadsheet, which is new lead details. So I'm just going to select the same, and then for the sheet, I'm just going to select it as details right over here. Now I'm just going to add the student lead details for my own trading classes right over here, but we're not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map the details, you have to put a slash and then search for the detail you wish to map and then select it. You have to make sure that you only map the string value. After mapping this detail, click on this save and send test request and you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details have been added with the first name, last name, email, phone number. And yes, you can see that with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new student lead for my own trading classes using Google Ads, automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. And we don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend and my sales team can follow up quickly and efficiently without any manual intervention. So go and try this amazing automation for your your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create this amazing automation for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.